Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our assembly composer video. Today video is about pipe culvert. The previous video was about the box culvert. So today video you can see we have two pipe with the width of 2.9 meter, the lean concrete, and to draw this sub-assembly we must know the center point of this two pipe. So I will create a circle here which will be my initial point for creating the sub-assembly, and I will calculate the width for the both side also from the center of the pipe to the center. I will draw a line. I will take dimension from edge of concrete to the center, and from the center of the pipe to the center of this pipe culvert. So now I will mirror this to both sides. Okay. So the height is 1 meter die of the pipe, so same as the height. Now from this center point I will start this assembly. So already I renamed this sub-assembly the pipe culvert. So my description you can write anything for your reference. Well, let's start the sub-assembly. This is the center point. So I will code it as center line. A box culvert, a bed, you can write anything you want. It's nothing more because it's on the center. Now we will close the other side so it will be easy for us to open this. Okay, now as you can see I draw the center line, so I will write this edge of this pipe culvert on the right side and on the left side, both at the bottom. So the width is 1.45 on each side, so I will create one point on the right side. I will code it is bed, and reference from point number 1 and x-axis it will move 1.45 meter. The y value is 0. A link already created, so I will put on the screen. Again, the left edge of the pipe culvert, so I will create a same value with negative sign. The code I will copy from the previous point and paste here. Similarly, the code I will paste in the link. If you have a code for link and point, let's see this. It's easy for you to in Civil 3D to create the distance elevation there from the codes. Now I will create both outer side wall, this one and this one. Its height is 1.3 meter. So let's create these 2 points. The point number 1 on the right side, I will write side as a code, and it's also from point number 2. The height is 1 point, x value is 0, the elevation is on y. So as you can see now on the left side also I will create another point. Okay, so the same value here, the same code I will copy paste. So here and also in the link. Okay, and you can see now the code for the link endpoint. Okay, now I will put a link for the top line, so not the point. We will delete this. I need a link. So the link I will from point number 4 to point number 5. For the top of 5 culvert, I will write top from point number 4. So now the outer geometry, outside geometry completed. The pipe I will put at the last. Now I will create assembly also with this point for the lean concrete. So lean concrete starting from the point number 2, which is outside 0.05 cm, 0.05 meter or 5 cm. So I will code it as lean. Still this same. So I will for the link I will also put a lean. Again for the thickness I will create a point. First I will create for the left side also the same from the point number 6. Sorry, this point number 3. Now for the thickness I will create 2 more points. The first one, the below line, from here we will create cut fill. You must rename it, code it as a datum. So I will, the point is reference from point number 6 with the thickness of 0.05 meter. As you can see, it's created, and you can see from here this one, the L shape. Now I will create another point for the left side. So the same code with the point, and below minus 0.05 meter. I will copy paste the same code, and here the link to connect these 2 points. The link is between point number 8 and 9, and now you can see a lean also completed. So from here we can add a daylight. Now we will create pipes inside this geometry. We need 2 points from here, this below point here, and above the pipe, the top of the pipe. So I will put outer dia, which is away 0.65 meter. So let's create 2 points. So now I will create 2 points on the right side per pipe. From the center I will take as a from the origin, and the center below point for the pipe is we seen we have seen in the 7, which was 0.65 on the right side, and above you can see the die is 1 meter, so it's mean the point is here is 1 meter above from the below point. So for this point number 10 I will put 5 as a code. Just the one point which is not linked. So now I will put 5 as a code for the second point. I don't need the link. Each point is connected with the point number 10 with the elevation 1 meter. So now you can see if I put the link between this line will appear, so I don't need this link. Again for the left side pipe I will create 2 points same as the right side I have created. X value minus 0.65, and again the y value is 1 meter, sorry, the y value now you can see it's exactly 1 meter above the bottom point. Now for the pipe I will create a curve between these 2 points. It will start from the point number 10. The center will the 3 point, as you can see. The first point is point number 10. The arc point from where it will return is point number 11, and point number 10 ends. So here, if I increase the vertices, number of vertices, you can increase up to 100. And now you can see it's looking smoother, like 5. The same process I will repeat here on the left side. Another curve with the code 5 with the 3 point starting from 12. The arc point is 13 and the end point is 12. The 100 number of vertices. Now you can see this pipe culvert assembly almost completed. Only the shape remaining for the concrete here and the below, the lean concrete and above PCC or RCC, whatever is. If you can select here, if the link are continuous, so it has selected separate shape for the lean. So if you paste like this, the problem for pasting you must add while. Just check the number of link. Suppose it's link 7, link 9, 10. So write these link, click on there, add links, and from here change the link number. Link number 10, 9, link number 2, 1, the same 6 and 8. 1 and 2. So now all the links I add here, and now you can see it's color that area. So this is the part of the link as I coded. Again I will create another shape for the RCC or PCC in a type of concrete, and here you can see it's completely hide that area, and I will code is at PCC or G10, G20, what type of concrete it is. Take from your typical section what they write there, write same name here. Suppose this G20 concrete, so I will write G20. Now the shape is complete. So there is to control the parameter, I will put the input parameter for bed or the thickness or the height. So I there in Civil 3D I will import the shape. I can control the width on the right side of the bed on the left side. So let's start. I will click on the first create parameter, then parameter I will rename it bed. Suppose bed width. Okay, from double because we have decimal in this value, so I will select double 1.45 same value, and here what will I see in Civil 3D, I will write their name bed width. I will copy this name and replace with the 1.45. Let's write here because it's for half, so put half bed width. Okay, again on the left side also I will put this value bed width. Now every time you putting parameter must check if it is connecting, and I guess it's working, so it means it's connecting with this assembly. And let's write the actual value. Okay, now for the height I will put another parameter. I will click on the create parameter, and then I will write here the height or thickness. Suppose the height is 1.3 meters, so I will write here, and here the description. The description it will, you can see it in the Civil 3D. So you must write name here, which is easy for you to understand there when you import this shape in the subassembly in Civil 3D. So I will copy this one, the name, and I will place where I put the height value is here and this delta y. So now let's check it. I will increase the height. Yes, it's working. So now you can control this variable, same like for the other any type of link you want to control in Civil 3D. You can control it. For the pipe, you must put the for the link this between these two 10 and 11 point. You must put there, or you must put exactly the one where is the point number 11 according to your die of the pipe. No target perimeter needed. So what will I do? Now I will save this in my folder as a pkt file, which I can import to Civil 3D. Okay, I save this file. Let's open any one of our drawing where I have created the section, so we can check this subassembly if it is working or not. Let's open our previous section drawing where I have created the cross section. So I will create a new assembly. From here, the home tab, it's right here, 5 Culvert. Any upwards style you can select. Okay, then open tool palette. From the custom tab, right click and import subassembly. Open the file folder where you save the PKT file and then click open. Now it's loaded, so it's filed. So click OK, and here is our file. Now you can see the parameter right over there. So click on the assembly and OK. Now you can see the shape I have created there. From the subassembly property, as you can see, you can control the parameter what kind of parameter you want to. So if I change the value, you can see it's working here. So let's check it. Okay, so it means it's working here. Now let's attach this subassembly to our corridor. First I will put daylight general. That's why I'm not creating daylight here. It's easy to copy. Attach any of your daylight from this 3D here. Let's change the side. Okay, now go to here in our cross section. As you can see, this we have created before for the road. So we'll replace the this assembly in this cross section. From here, from the assembly, we will select the pipe color and from the target we will select the natural ground surface. So click OK. Now let's check the cross section. As you can see, the same, exactly the same we have created and cut and cutting the condition or infill condition. So you can like this, you can create your own pipe culvert subassembly and subassembly composer, and then you can import into Civil 3D. So this was today video. Hopefully you will practice hard. Thank you.